Hello and welcome to Design Guy. Want to erase someone from your pic? I'll show you how in Canva. Click the Create button, then choose Custom Size from the options. Enter 200 by 200 pixels to set your desired dimensions. Next, click on the Elements tab in the sidebar. Then, scroll through the available options until you find the Photo section to browse images. Locate a family photo within this section. Scroll if needed, then identify the image you want to use in your project. Select the sample you want to work with by clicking on it in the list. Then, review the details shown on the right side of the screen. If you need to make changes, click the Edit button. When you're finished, remember to save your updates before closing. Select this image, then assign it as the background. This will instantly update your project with the selected image as the new background. Select the image you want to edit. Click the Edit button, then choose Eraser. From the options, select Magic Eraser. Next, press the brush tool to begin erasing the specific areas of the image you want removed. Now select this person by pressing their name. Let's investigate what happened next. We'll examine the sequence of events that followed this point, looking for important changes or results. Watch closely as we uncover the immediate outcomes after this step. Ensure all corners are rounded for a uniform appearance. Next, click the Erase button to remove the selected item from your list. Make sure you have chosen the correct item before confirming the erase action. Use this setting to improve image quality. Adjust the slider until you achieve the desired sharpness and clarity. Review the changes in the preview to confirm the enhancement effect. You've just learned how to remove a person from any photo using Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more quick design tips.